What's up, everybody? It's James with RC Air Shenanigans, and we have a cat. Come on. We have the... What's up, everybody? It's James with RC Air Shenanigans. We have the FMS 1500mm Cessna 182. And this thing's supposed to be pretty sweet, so let's find out. The first step is to take the vertical stab and run the wire through the tail. So I have this, and I can just run right down right in here. There, okay. There. Okay, all the wires are pulled through. And the bottom of the tail has some two-sided sticky tape. That has to slide in like that. There we go. It has to slide in the front first. And then you can pull your wires. And then you can just kind of push down. And then we slide the spar through. There's some guides here. See if we can get this to go. There it is. Okay. And you just slide the tail together until it clicks. Connect the servo wires to the fuse. All right. LED lights. Which black goes to brown on this. Black to brown, red to orange. Alright. Let's off the canopy. Oh, there's a pilot. What's up, pilot? We're going to take that off. So we can access the board. We have an ESC. Throttle cable here. Okay, there we go. Much better. There we go, 2 screws. Okay. Ah, like that. Okay. Perfect. So they have this huge servo arm, and you take the nose gear and you put it through the hole in the bottom, right here. And it pops up right here. So you just put the servo arm on there, screw that down after you lose it. You just screw it on there. And then that's the nose wheel steering. So now you can see right there. Pretty easy. So the wings are pretty sweet. There's a locking mechanism. Push the on button. Yeah, see, okay, so you just push the clips on, And the wing slides right on. Okay. That's pretty nifty. On. And there's just a wing connector, so. Yep. Alright, that wing's on. Cool. And these are labeled right and left. This is the right wing. Just clicks in and slides. Pretty easy. Same thing with the left wing. Slides in. Slides in. That's all there is to that. Antennas. Are they all the same? Yeah. So they just click in and slide back. Click in and slide back. And then there's one way in the back here. Just clicks in and slides back. Boop. Boop. Super easy. There we go. Okay. So this guy, it should slide over the bolt just like that. And propeller. And washer. Screw on like this, and then you take something like a screwdriver or a nut driver, I think you need to make sure that the prop goes up against, there we go, like that, and this just clips on like that. Clicks in. Perfect. Alright, so we got the ESC right here, and I grabbed an XT60 to EC3 adapter, and we just used a 6-channel sport receiver. No Safer AS3X, no gyro on the receiver, but we do have the new Reflex V3 in here. This thing is awesome. You download an app and you just select the model on your iPhone or Android. And it's really awesome. FMS has gone through and made it so you can change the gains and the orientation of the Reflex V3 yourself now. So you can put Reflex on any plane. So it's pretty sweet. Here's the steering mechanism. It's just a servo. I didn't get a good close-up of this earlier. So it's just a servo with a big servo arm. And this has just a little nub that goes right in the little hole. And that's your nose wheel steering. It's super easy. All the electronics are hidden under the battery tray. And so once you get all the electronics put in, once you get all the electronics put in, you just put the battery tray back in, and that's that. You just Set it back in and screw it down.
All right, we got James and Steve here, RC Air Shenanigans. We're gonna be flying the new FMS
Cessna 182 Skylane in red.
in red.
Take it off. This is the Cessna 182 FMS. It comes out on Monday. Wind is picking up.
These are flexing on it because the wind.
Yeah, they are. Okay, let's get her pointed in the wind. Flies good. Flies great.